Chapter 16, Personal Selling and Sales Promotion. Objective: discuss the role of a company's salesperson in creating value for customers and building customer relationships. Identify and explain the 6 major sales force management steps. Discuss the personal selling process, distinguishing between transaction-oriented marketing and relationship marketing. Explain how sales promotion campaigns are developed and implemented. Personal selling. Personal selling is a personal presentation by the firm's sales force for the purpose of making sales and building the customer relationships. A salesperson is an individual representing a company to customers by performing one or more of the following activities: prospecting, communicating, selling, servicing, information gathering, or relationship building. Salespeople are of an effective link between the company and its customers to produce customer value and company profit by representing the company to customers, representing customers to the company, working closely with marketing. Salespeople, sales representatives, district managers, account executives, sales engineers, agents, account development representatives, or reps. Personal selling works best with complex selling situations. Let's say Ford, TELUS, Industrial Alliance. Sales force management is the analysis, planning, implementation, and control of sales force activities, designing sales force strategy and culture, recruiting and selecting salespeople, train people, salespeople, compensating salespeople, supervising salespeople, evaluating salespeople. Designing sales force strategy and structure. Territorial sales force structure refers to a structure where each salesperson is assigned an exclusive geographic area and sells the company's full line of products and services to all customers in that territory. Defines salesperson's job, fixes accountability, lowers sales expenses, improves relationship building and selling effectiveness. Product sales force structure refers to a structure where each salesperson sells along product lines, improves product knowledge, can lead to territorial conflict. Customer sales force structure refers to a structure where each salesperson sells along customer on industry lines, improves customer relationship. Complex sales force structure refers to a structure where a wide variety of products is sold to many types of customers over a broad geographic area and combines several types of sales force structures, a mix of territorial and customer. Example, HP. Other sales force strategy and structure issues. Outside salespeople call on customers in the field. Inside salespeople conduct business from their offices and often provide support for the outside salespeople. Technical sales support people, sales assistants. Team selling is used to serve large complex accounts. And that was in the part of designing sales force strategy and structure. Now for recruiting and selecting salespeople. Salespeople are compensated by fixed amounts, variable amounts, expenses, and fringe benefits. Salespeople are motivated from within. Training salespeople. Sales Training is one of the most important aspects of the sales force. Sales teams must know their clients to build relationships, the product, and the competitors. So 3 things. Companies use a wide array of training techniques, e-learning, seminars, classes. Tools for supervising salespeople include weekly, monthly, or annual call plan that shows customers and prospects to call on and which activities to carry out. Time and duty. Analysis records determines active selling time compared to all other actions in a day. Salesforce automation systems are computerized Salesforce operations that let salespeople work more effectively anytime, anywhere. And that was for supervising people. Supervising people, how salespeople spend their time. It said that 10% is active selling, 10% is prospecting, 14% is problem solving, 17% of the salespeople is taken to personal downtime, 18% is the average of traveling time, and 31% is administration. Motivating people, training, sales meetings, live sales representation, or live sales presentation, servicing accounts. Motivating people, sales morale and performance can be increased through organizational climate, sales quotas, positive incentives. Sales quotas are standards that state the amount a salesperson should sell and how sales should be divided among the company's products. Sales reports, call reports, expense reports. In the personal selling process, we have the goal of the personal selling process is to get new customers and obtain orders from them. Prospecting and qualifying, pre-approaching, approach, presentation and demonstration, handling objections, closing and following up. Prospecting, it says 6 stages. Prospecting and qualifying, pre-approach, approach, presentation and demonstration, handling objections, closing and following up. In prospecting we have identifies qualified potential customers through referrals. Prospecting from customers, suppliers, dealers, internet. The salesperson must approach many potential clients to generate a few sales. Must know how to qualify leads. Qualifying is identifying good customers and screening out poor ones by looking at financial ability, volume of business, needs, location, and growth potential. Remember that we are in the prospecting, qualifying, and now the pre-approach. The pre-approach is the process of learning as much as possible about a prospect, including needs, who is involved in the buying, and the characteristics and styles of the buyers. Objectives. Qualify the prospect. Gather information. Make an immediate sale. Approaches. Personal visit, phone call, or letter. The approach. First is prospecting and qualifying. Then is the pre-approach. And we are now with the approach. Approach is the process where the salesperson meets and greets the buyer and gets the relationship off to a good start and involves the salesperson. Appearance, opening lines, follow-up remarks. Opening lines should be positive, build goodwill, and be followed by key questions to learn about the customer's needs or showing a display or sample to attract the buyer's attention and curiosity. The most important attribute is for the salesperson to listen. Presentation. The presentation is when the salesperson tells the product story to the buyer, presenting customer benefits and showing how the product solves the customer's problems. Need satisfaction approach. Buyers want solutions, and salespeople should listen and respond with the right products and services to solve customer problems. Top salesman qualities: listening, assessing correct needs, reliability, truthfulness. Handling objections. Handling objections is the process where salespeople resolve problems that are logical, psychological, or unspoken. Choose or closing a sale. Closing a sale in class activity in teams of 5. Think of some of your personal experiences with sales representatives. Discuss and respond to this question. How does a salesperson can close a sale? Closing a sale. Closing is the process where salespeople should recognize signals from the buyer, including physical actions, comments, and questions, to close the sale. Asking for the order, reviewing points of agreement, offering to help write up the order, asking if the buyer wants this model or another one, making note that the buyer will lose out if the order is not placed now, offering incentives to buy, including lower price or additional quantity. Closing sale follow-up is the last step in which salesperson follows up after the sale to ensure customer satisfaction and repeat business. Follow-up, email, telephone call. Personal selling is transaction-oriented to close a specific sale with a specific customer. The long-term goal is to develop a mutually profitable relationship, prospecting and qualifying, pre-approach, approach, presentation and demonstration, handling objections, closing, and follow-up. Sales promotion refers to the short-term incentives to encourage purchases or sales of a product or service. Consumer promotions, trade promotions, business promotions, sales force promotions. We have 4 types. The goal is to buy now. Consumer promotions. Consumer promotions are sales promotion tools used to boost short-term customer buying and involvement and to enhance long-term customer relationships. Samples offer a trial amount of a product. Coupons are certificates that give buyers a saving when they purchase specified products. Cash refunds are similar to coupons except that the price reduction occurs after the purchase. Price packs offer consumers savings of the regular price of a product. Consumer promotions. Premiums are goods offered either for free or at low price. Advertising specialties are useful articles imprinted with the advertiser's name, logo, or message that are given as a gift to consumers. Point of purchase promotions include displays and demonstrations that take place at the point of sales. Consumer promotion contests, sweepstakes, and games give consumers the chance to win something such as cash, trips, or goods by luck or through extra effort. Contests require an entry by a consumer. Sweepstakes require consumers to submit their names for a drawing. Games present consumers with something that may or may not help them win a prize. Event marketing. Trade promotions. Trade promotions are promotions tools used to persuade resellers to carry a brand, give it shelf space promoted in advertising and